Now we're going to start adding a little bit of color, but it's still relatively green. But here we have a little bit of a tint to purple. You want to make sure that you're using different styles of greenery to give some texture and variety. Now we're going to start with the actual flowers, and I like to start in the center of my foam and then start with my highest point at the very center in the top. So select a flower that you want to be your focal point in the arrangement, and one that pretty much has some height to it. I'm using hydrangeas, we have some irises, we also have some eucalyptus, which is a great filler. Roses are always very classic, so that's a classic piece, and I'm using roses that have a nice wide bud to it. Other pieces that we're going to use throughout the arrangement are what I call filler. So they're not necessarily a flower, but they might add some nice bulk and color and texture to your arrangement.